are installing the Pride Auto 3-inch downpipes. So what you get with this, obviously the 3-inch downpipes, we did heat wrap them, and I have a video I'll leave in the description if you want to heat wrap yours. You get all the gaskets and the clips, the V-band clips, and you're gonna be asking, what is this? I put it in a plastic bag actually. 2.5 for your stock exhaust, or you can go to a full 3-inch exhaust all the way back out. Anyways, we'll be doing this on ramps, which is gonna be really tough, but we'll see if we can knock it out.
All right, guys, we're gonna start with the basics and take off the lower downpipes first. Here's the bracket bolt. Take that off. We're gonna try to take off those the bolts that go from the top downpipe to the bottom downpipe. There should be 2 from the top and this one from the bottom back there, that little rusty. 3 bolts on the passenger side and 2 bolts on the driver's side. Here's the bracket as well. We're also gonna disconnect the O2 sensors. You're gonna need to find it for the passenger side, but the driver's side O2 sensor is right there. All right, so we got a 14 here, the long one. We got a swivel extendo with another extendo.
Perfect.
Put the feedback John in there.
Our first bolt. Once we loosen the first bolt, we're gonna go to the second bolt that we need to get to from the top.
Right. This is the driver's side. Also another 14. There's only 1 on here.
Woo. All right, so what are we doing?
All right, we got 1 bottom bolt on the passenger side and 1 bottom bolt on the driver's side. Oh, fucking A. Brackets.
So we're not doing them all the way yet because we gotta do the brackets. All right, now on the driver's side.
Can you fit the extension on the breaker bar?
Yeah.
Brackets.
Now we're doing the brackets.
Yeah.
Actually, do it the same. And before we move on, we're gonna get these bolts off the Y-pipe on both sides. There's gonna be 2 on both sides. Yes. Bada beam.
We're gonna have to detach the O2 sensors.
And where is that?
1 is all the way up there.
I don't even see it.
Looking down at me. And then this one's right here. I showed him this one. But you know, I can't really do anything. You know, me squeezing my hand. What's a clamp?
What are you doing?
Taking off this thing.
The O2 sensor? Yep. And of course, now we're gonna have to do the white pipe on this side, just how we did it on the other side. Now for the other side. All right, guys, we took off the lower. The upper's right there. Oh my gosh. Now the passenger side. Get the gasket off. All right, guys. I'm gonna get to the O2 sensor connector. It is right. All right, guys, the O2 sensor came out. It was kind of hard. All right, guys, the O2 sensor was at the very tippy top. The brown one, we got it off.
Already got those 2 shits over there.
We're using his phone and a camera extension with a flashlight on to see where the V-band bolt is exactly. Oh, it was right there, yeah. So instead of getting off the heat shields, we can just literally do that and get to them. You just have to bend the heat shield and you can bend it back in place.
Might as well bend it some more, honestly.
Bend it more?
Yeah.
Alright.
On. Make a fucking yonder.
And now we have, before we do the V-band clip, we have this bolt to get to. Wait, where is it again? Oh, it's right there. Damn, my boy lifting the whole car. We are doing some sketchy. Alright, now we don't have to use the wrench. You can just unscrew it now.
I don't know.
Dude, I can't even tell. I'm just happy. Alright guys, this took forever just to get that bolt in that position. To get to it, it's slowly unscrewing, but we don't even know which one is unscrewing. So, oh my gosh guys, this took forever to get to the last bolt. But it's almost gone, it's almost out. Alright guys, the bolt is literally just chilling right there. That's all you're unscrewing now. Oh my gosh, this is literally it right here. That's what's been giving.
Ah!
Are you done?
Like, since like the clamp is kind of like seized on in a way.
Uh-huh.
So I gotta like try to pry it open.
Oh my gosh. Wow, that's crazy. Guys, on this passenger side, it's going to be slightly easier because this bolt right here on the bottom is more exposed, just like we did on the other side. In the V-bend clip, we just bent that a little bit more, and we're literally just going to be doing the same exact thing.
I guess.
Guess this side was a little bit easier.
Yeah, babe. And let me do this. I don't want to go out of my way and say a good fella. But.
Oh my gosh.
But. All exceptions for. Good fucking God, my guy.
Alright, guys.
Just got the second one out low.
Guys, now it's time for the big power mod. Without a 2. Alright guys, now we're going to be taking out the O2 sensors of both the cats. Where's the other one? Anyways, now we got both the oxygen sensors on our downpipes. I'm going to torque them down a little bit with this. Make sure they're nicely and tight on. And yeah, now we're going to be installing them back in. That's okay.
A lot better now.
Huh?
A lot better now. Alright. This is gonna be a fucking task, bro.
Now we're gonna be connecting the V-band onto the downpipe. That's already attached to the turbo, and then we're gonna put the bolt on it. Guys, I don't know if you guys can see zip tie on the clamp. This is, by the way, this is the 3rd day. Not inside, just around. I'll put a picture right up here. Zilla drew this for me. Shout out to him. Works perfect. I used tweezers, pliers, I mean. I pulled on it and it clamped it down. Guys, oh my gosh. And shout out to Platinum VR30 for mentally suffering with me through this and physically. Guys, I am so happy. We are almost done. I'm just kind of like finagling it. Guys, now once your downpipes are on, just make sure you fit on the O2 sensor. Oh my gosh, I can't focus. The brown one. Okay. Alright guys, all you're doing is you're putting on the V-band, and with pride you can pick, like I said, 3 full inch, or you can go 2.5. In my case, we're gonna need to go to 2.5 because the Tomei Y-pipe, that's the connector for the Tomei Y-pipe. Now put on your other piece and clamp it right on. Alright guys, this is what it should look like on both sides. We've timed everything. So now we're about to hear a first cold start on this setup. Well guys, this is crazy. About to roll it back because it sat on the ramps for a while. Guys, this is crazy. Wow. Wow. Guys, I can't believe we've done it.